Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a complete disaster clean with me, coupled with my Christmas decorate with me. My place is a complete mess because we just got back from our Thanksgiving vacation and I wanted to decorate. So of course, you can't have decorating without cleaning. Hello. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Let's get started. So as you can see, I'm starting out with a trash bag and I'm just going to get rid of all the trash, including this rotting pumpkin on my side table. And you will notice throughout the video that as I clean an area, I'm going to be removing all of the fall decor and putting it on my dining table. So this is technically an undecorate with me too. Now I'm taking a second to spot clean my couch. We don't need to talk about my love-hate relationship with this couch, but I'm going to spot clean the couch and then I'm going to do the same with the area rug in front of it. And that is super satisfying. So definitely keep watching. Now that I've gotten all of the fingerprints off of the TV, I'm going to move on to the area rug in front of the couch. And a lot of these things that you see on the area rug are stuck on to the area rug. So you'll notice that I'm going to use my slipper, which has a rubber bottom, to kind of remove some of the looser particles off of the area rug. And then I'm going to move on to spot cleaning with some Resolve. looks so much better. I really had to give this spot some elbow grease. I was literally sweating after doing this. I had already emptied out all of our suitcases from our trip and put them in the washing machine. So now I just need to actually put these suitcases away in the storage closet. But for now, I'm just going to move them closer to the storage closet so I can finish cleaning this area. Now we are addressing the ledge of death, as per usual. If you are not new to my channel, you know I always preach completing one area at a time. Life is so unpredictable if you are a mom or if you're just a person in general. When you complete an area, even if that's all you do, at least that one area is complete. If you float around, you're going to end up feeling like you haven't accomplished anything because everything is kind of halfway done. But if you complete that one area, not only did you complete a task fully, you will be motivated by that perfectly clean area to clean the areas around it. Now moving on to the kitchen, we are getting rid of this fall decor and cleaning off this counter. I did go to the grocery store this day, so there are some things that I just have not prepped and put away yet. So I'm just going to take care of that, wipe everything down, and move on. If you haven't noticed, the music is starting to wind down. We are getting closer and closer to decorating, so we're trying to set the mood. Look at all the fall decor ready to be packed away. I pulled out the decor boxes from my storage closet, and I'm pulling out all of my Christmas items and putting in the fall decor items. I am going a slightly different route this year. There won't be so many red touches like there were last year. I am bringing in some more neutral colors, so some more blacks, white, and then I'm playing up more of the green this year. So you will see all the new items once I'm done packing all of this stuff up. Items I purchased this year. Those little trees are from Target, the twinkle lights from TJ Maxx, the shrubbery laying down is from Hobby Lobby, the one with the red base is from TJ Maxx, that black vase is from Target, the little reindeer is from Crate and Barrel, the black tree is from Target, the shrubbery is from Target, that pillow is from Hobby Lobby. I think I got everything. If I didn't, ask me in the comment section below. And here are all of the items that I've had previously. So now we are going to start placing items. I don't think I said, but this green blanket is from Target, and it literally feels like a Barefoot Dreams blanket. So this is the shelf that is visible in all of my Zoom calls at work. So I do like to make it look cute. This is what took me the longest. It always does, and you'll see at the very end what I ended up doing with it, and I think it turned out really cute, so stay tuned. Also, don't come for me because I haven't put photos in those frames yet. So I'm not going to decorate the tree in this video. I just wanted to pull it out of the box, plug it in, make sure it was working, make sure I didn't have to go and buy anything, and we will decorate the tree as a family. I moved the lamp that was in the corner that the Christmas tree is in over in this corner, and I kind of like it. This area is so bare outside of Ethan's kitchen, so the lamp really does add a little something over here. here are from TJ Maxx. It is a couple days later and my cushion covers finally came in. I went for this black kind of velvety cushion cover just to keep it neutral and tie in with the more decorative pillow that I got from Hobby Lobby. I love the look of having candles on the coffee table, but with kids, you really have to be careful with that. So I ended up purchasing these battery operated ones from Amazon, and they give the same look. And we are all done. Not only is my apartment very clean when you compare it to how it was in the beginning of this video, but everything is decorated and cozy. I really wish I could have given you some nighttime footage, but I really want to get this video up today. So check out my vlogs and you will see how it looks in the evening. I cannot wait to decorate the tree. And oh my goodness, my favorite part about this whole thing is the shelf. Look how cute. The reindeer literally makes it. That little reindeer is from Crate & Barrel. I may go back and get a bigger one. But the little houses on top, oh, it's just so cute and cozy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one. Bye.